Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to add or remove user accounts on this laptop. So to add a new user account, open the Start menu, go to Settings, then go to Accounts. In the Accounts, search for Other Users section, open it, then click Add Account right here, and if you want to add another user using their Microsoft account, then enter their email or phone number, then enter their password to confirm, and once you confirm their password, you'll have to enter the PIN number, PIN code for their account, confirm it, and then the account will be created. Now if you want to create a local account, click I don't have this person's sign-in information right here. Then click Add a user without a Microsoft account. Then create a username for this account and create a PIN code for them. Confirm, and then add 3 security questions for this account. In case this person loses the access to their account, forgets their password, they'll be able to regain it by answering one of these questions. So choose the questions and give your answers. You might as well, you can also write them down if you want, then click Next, and this way the account will be created. Now, if you want to switch to that account, open the Start menu, click on your account's logo, then tap on the 3-dot icon right here in the corner, and then select their account. Then you'll have to sign in, and once you sign in, you'll be able to use their account, and this person will be able to use their account. And if you want to remove an account, you'll have to go into the same menu in Settings, expand the list of options, and then click Remove. But be aware that before you remove an account, you'll have to sign out of it on that other account. So once you sign out of that other account, click Remove, then click Delete Account and Data, and this way you will remove the account. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.